Hello, I'm Brent Coleman, Business Development Manager at GDT Manufacturing. GDT Manufacturing is a division of GDT Corporate. We're right down the street. The benefit of that to our customers is that we get to work with the team down the street at corporate, designing product, working with our customers, having customers come into our facility in one of our comp facilities or looking at the line, checking out what we do, designing cables, finishing cables, prototypes, first articles, and so forth. For our customers' design.
My name is Christopher Robbins. I'm the Director of the Launch Department at GDT. The Launch Department handles all professional services, quote, and requests from customers for RFPs and other documentation. I'm here at our manufacturing facility just down the street to explain what I think makes us different. One cool thing that we have is that I can come down here and work with Brent and and the production team, the manufacturing team, and come up with whatever I need to come up with to facilitate your specific requests. If you guys decide you want to get 48 trunk fiber and you want the spacing a certain way so that you don't have to use a patch panel or eliminate a cross connect, I can come down here, we can whiteboard it, we can pick cable colors, connector types, fan outs, we generate drawings for specifications if you guys want to do something like that going forward. It just adds a level of flexibility for us that I think sets us apart from just about anybody else.
GDT Manufacturing was developed under three principles: quality, delivery, and competitiveness. We've been in business for 10 years supporting corporate specifically. We have a 40,000-foot production floor with approximately 100 individuals working in production. We've got a state-of-the-art setup, a linear setup. We strip, we crimp, we epoxy, we finish the cables, we go through the polishing, the visual inspection, the final inspection of the cable, do 100% testing before it goes out to the customer.
I'm standing here at the end of our production line with a completed product. This fiber was developed with GDT Manufacturing and GDT. We got the specifications from a customer, we put everything together, they made it, they tested it, they put it in the bag. It'll all be shipped back up the street to be put in the final by-site materials to be shipped to the customer's location. That is the one thing that separates GDT from other providers, I believe, is our ability to provide a turnkey solution from start to finish. Documentation, building a bill of materials, the complete fiber, everything is completed, sent up the street, and it's ready to go, start to finish, one phone call.
Overall, our organization is about getting the product built properly, getting it tested 100%, and getting it to the field on time for our customer.